In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a to-do list in Google Sheets. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to list down the things that we need to do inside a whole day. After successfully inputting the things that we usually do inside a whole day, we're going to utilize checkboxes to make a to-do list for this. So in here, simply select and drag the cells next to the agendas. And after selecting and dragging, go to Insert in the menu navigation, and in here, simply navigate to checkboxes. As you can see, we have now input a checkbox next to each thing that we need to do. So for example, we have finished washing the dishes already. Simply click this. We have already finished cooking lunch. Tick the box, go to the supermarket, wash clothes, go to the park, or go to the gym. After that, you have now successfully created a to-do list. And that's about it. That's how to create a to-do list in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.